Let's first start with the legs. Legs. Then the arms. Let's do the head. Head. Then legs. Legs. Then the arms. Yes, then we'll go back to the head. Yes. Then back to the legs. Arms. Baby likes the more stretch. Legs. Arms. Legs. Arms. Head. Legs. Arms. Yay! Legs. Arms. Legs. Arms. Yay!